Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been not posting videos that much. Today we are riding to a secret place. I don't know the location exactly, but our meetup time is at 5 in the evening. So we left from Mumbai in the morning around 8 o'clock, and first we met up with our group at Kharghar. We had a breakfast there, and from there, from Kharghar, we left at 11:30, and now it's 1:15. We are reached at a mall in Lonavala. That is one bike with us, and the Benelli 600i KTM 200. That's my Charisma. Next to my bike, it's Dominar. Yeah, that's it. So now we'll take a short break here. My rest of the friends are in the mall. So here is my gang. Okay, we have reached at Korigad Fort. So that is the Korigad Fort. So we took a halt here for a lunch, a late lunch, because we had a breakfast very late. So no one was hungry around the usual lunch time. So after reaching here, we decided to have a lunch, because from now we will be heading towards our secret campsite. So meet you there. I was just
And on the count of 1, 2, 3 jump करना है, okay? तो आजा बंटी वो 1, 2, 3 के बीच में बहुत गैप है भाई. 1, 2, 3 पूरा मोमेंटम चला है.
1, 2, 3.
Man, that was crazy.
It's a proper forest.
No, let's not.
Let's not risk it because see, when locals say it, I respect it. I want not to take a risk when the owner of that house has come out to tell us. We'll slowly walk back.
हमको भी जर्मनी
पता चला गया उधर और शेर नहीं कर लिया उसका चप्पा. शाम का तो यहाँ पर जा सकते हैं.
So this is the way from which we came yesterday evening, and we have parked our bikes over here, and that's the hotel who are providing us with the lunch and dinner. Nice place. They also have room stay on the small hill just across. The hotel name is Arohi. Okay guys, so a very late good morning. This is the second day today. It's Sunday and we woke up around 7 in the morning. We completed our morning chores and after that we headed out for a short trek to a nearest cave. But okay, as soon as we were reaching near the cave, so a person who stays near the field, he warned us about there is a tiger being spotted in the morning, so it's advised for us to not go there, and so we returned back and had our breakfast in that hotel. Now going back to our campsite. This is the route. Which we are going through, some paddy fields, and then a small descent towards the lake.